Don't forget to subscribe. Dora the Explorer. Dora's Nursery Rhyme Adventure. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Dora was reading her baby brother and sister their favorite nursery rhyme. The babies snuggled up next to their big sister. Suddenly, Dora and the twins saw a big rain cloud pass over Jack and Jill's hill. The storm blew Jack and Jill down the hill. After the cloud blew away, Dora and the twins noticed that Jack and Jill had tumbled far from their hill. "Help!" cried Jack and Jill. "We've got to get back to our hill." "We need to use our story powers to help Jack and Jill," exclaimed Dora. "Are you ready for a storybook adventure?" The babies nodded excitedly. Then Dora and the twins held hands and jumped into the book. Dora and the twins landed right next to Jack and Jill. "We can help you get back to your hill," said Dora. "But our hill is very far away," Jack told her. "And we don't know how to get there," added Jill. "Our friend Map can tell us how to get there," Dora told them. Map popped out of Backpack's pocket. "First, you have to go past Humpty Dumpty. Then go past Old King Cole's castle. And that's how you'll get to Jack and Jill's hill," Map told them. "So first, we have to find Humpty Dumpty," Dora said. "Donde está? Where is Humpty Dumpty?" The babies pointed to Humpty Dumpty in the distance. "I'm lost!" cried Humpty Dumpty when they reached him. "I got turned around during the storm. Where do I usually sit?" "We'll help you," said Dora. She started to sing. "Humpty Dumpty sat on a..." "Wow!" exclaimed the twins. As Humpty Dumpty climbed to the top of his wall, the baby sang the rest of the nursery rhyme.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
"Oh no!" cried Dora. "Humpty Dumpty might get hurt. Does Backpack have anything to cushion his fall?"
Pillows!
exclaimed the babies. The babies, Jack and Jill, and Dora made a soft landing spot next to the wall. "Gracias," said Humpty. "Now I'll be safe." "De nada," Dora replied. "Now we have to find Old King Cole's castle. Which path should we take?" "I see the castle," said Humpty Dumpty. "Just follow the green path." "Thanks, Humpty," Jack and Jill called. When everyone arrived at Old King Cole's castle, they peeked inside the open door. Much to their surprise, the castle was a mess. "Looks like the rain cloud came through here too," Jack observed. Just then, they heard someone crying in the next room. "Come on," urged Dora. "It sounds like Old King Cole needs our help." The king was sad because he couldn't find the things that made him happy. "We need to figure out what makes him happy," Dora said. She and the babies started to sing. "Old King Cole was a merry old soul, and a merry old soul was he. He called for his pipe, he called for his bowl, and he called for his fiddlers 3. "Great!" Dora exclaimed. "We need to find a pipe, a bowl, and 3 fiddlers." Dora, the twins, and Jack and Jill found everything that made the king happy.
"Thanks for helping me,"
Old King Cole said merrily.
"Now, how can I help you?"
"Can you help us find our hill?" asked Jack and Jill. The the king took everyone to the top of the castle's highest tower. "I see lots of hills," said Dora. "Which one is Jack and Jill's hill?" "Our hill has a well on the top of it so we can fetch a pail of water," Jack told them.
"Oh, yes,"
said the king.
"There's your hill."
But when they reached the top of Jack and Jill's hill, the rain clouds suddenly appeared again. "We know what to do," said Dora. She and the twins sang, "Rain, rain, go away, come again another day." "I don't like that nursery rhyme," puffed the rain cloud, and it blew far, far away. "Hooray!" everyone cheered. Jack and Jill gave Dora and the babies a big hug. After saying goodbye to Jack and Jill, Dora and the babies jumped out of the book and landed back in the twins' room. Soon the babies were sound asleep. "Well, that was quite a nursery rhyme adventure," Dora whispered as she kissed them goodnight. "We did it! Lohissimos!" Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed the story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.